you.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you learned something new today?
I'm learning Hindi, ma'am.
Okay, you're learning Hindi. Oh, that's pretty cool, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. चलो, at least from the sessions onwards मैं थोड़ा और ज़्यादा हिंदी बोल पाऊंगी, है ना?
I have already learned little, ma'am, from the basics. So there is no touch in between. So I'm started again to
No
understand
issue,
the
no
basic and
issue.
how to talk like that.
चलो, that's good, that's good. What about Shrikant? How was the day?
Yeah, it was good. Like I just finished my all current work and kept some part of the work to night. So
Okay,
I'm attending, yeah, and did my assignment and
okay,
submitted. Yeah.
yeah. As just like a good student, right? I have completed my assignment now. So now I'm on time.
Yeah.
That's good, that's good. What about others? What about Nisha?
मैम क्लासेस कॉलेज
अरे फिर आपकी क्लास मैम क्लासेस कॉलेज क्लासेस आफ्टर योर क्लासेस तो कोई बात नहीं सीखना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को ओके दैट्स गुड व्हाट अबाउट भावना
सेम मैम नथिंग मच जस्ट अटेंडिंग यूनिवर्सिटी क्लासेस
ओहो हो इट्स कोई बात नहीं होता है दिस इज द टाइम पीरियड वी हैव टू ब्रश इन अप आवरसेल्व्स राइट दिस इज द ओनली फेज इस टाइम मेहनत कर ली ना देन इट विल बी एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन इन फ्यूचर. So what about others? I can see only few faces. ये तो HR पक्का बनेंगे. So 100% sure. But they are not shy. HR people should be very active. खुद
Yes.
से बोलना है कोई बोलने का मन भी नहीं करे ना खुद जाके बोलना पड़ता है ओके ठीक है some points of view we don't want to talk with each other but as a HR responsibility we should be very polite we should be talkative so everyone Ananta Akshata and Alan and Hemant. Just be on camera if you are comfortable to, but होना चाहिए आप लोगों को comfortable. Okay. So how many of you are able to share their screen with assignments?
Yes, I can share.
Shrikant can, Mohana can. What about Nisha, Bhavna? आप लोग share कर लोगे अपनी screen assignment को? Okay.
यस मैम
What about others? कैमरा नहीं शक्ल नहीं दिखानी at least you can speak right.
आपने जो असाइनमेंट सबमिट किए हैं यू हैव टू शेयर द स्क्रीन एंड शो सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन गिव यू द एक्चुअल फीडबैक क्या कमी है व्हाट इज द ड्रॉबैक व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू कैन इम्प्रूव ओके अलन अनंता हेमंत एंड अक्षिता guys all set all good
Yeah, sure.
Yes, so
Yes,
okay
sir. Sir.
अक्षिता अक्षिता there in the class
या सर
okay अनंता are you here ये मुझे छोटे बच्चों जैसे बुलाना पड़ रहा है प्रेजेंट सर एब्सेंट सर लाइक चलो jokes are apart moving towards the session हेमंता शेयर द स्क्रीन ओके आप अपने असाइनमेंट शो करो कि आपने कौन से असाइनमेंट पे क्या किया सो द असाइनमेंट जो आपने असाइनमेंट फिक्स किया या ओपन ओपन इट हेमंत
yes, sir.
ओपन द जेडी फाइल
Open, sir.
no we are not able to see do one thing stop the screen share then click on a screen share and share the entire screen we are only able to see your WhatsApp chats
Okay.
In the meantime, Srikant, please proceed.
Yes, okay.
Hemant, just wait for a few minutes.
I hope you can see my screen.
It is visible.
Yes, I opened.
चलो ना please review. Okay, so Kashish ma'am is reviewing it. आगे scroll करो नीचे आओ. Job summary. Wait. The responsibilities.
श्रीकांत थोड़ा और स्क्रॉल करो. और बिलो करो. Okay. So I can see, Shrikant, have you used ChatGPT into it, or Gemini, or Bard?
Yeah, to be honest with you, I have used ChatGPT.
You have not used any AI tools, right?
I have used ChatGPT.
Okay, you used ChatGPT?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay, what my reply to this is, when you start, just go on the top of it. Everyone, please take this feedback also for yourself that you can like improve in that. Okay. As I can see, this is totally fine. Okay. Starting with very crisp, very good. Because वहाँ पे track हो रहा है कि exactly what position, what is the job title is for. You can mention the location as well. कि all over है तो mention that all over. Okay. Apart from that, as I can see, ticket short, crisp paragraph you have used, it's totally fine. If you use ChatGPT, but try it in the starting of the phase, Shrikant, you try to not use AI. Because in future we're gonna use AI only. But in the
Yes.
starting of the part is now we should be practiced to do it on our own. Because
Okay.
when we do things now, we should use keywords. Because in the ChatGPT also, they can only present you the simple format of that. But at least you should know about the what keywords you should use in the job description. It's gonna help you out whether finding a correct candidate for it. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah. So if I see, नीचे below करो please. Yes. As I can see in the key responsibilities, in the previous class, I know you were not there, but what we have discussed is when we try to make a JD, it should be short and crisp,
Yeah.
right? It should be
Yes.
very clear of it. Because when we are hiring somewhere and it's not able to guess, you can see the roles are mentioning properly. But the thing is, you can see that things are responsibility are so lengthy, you can't crisp that. Okay.
Yes.
और
Yeah.
जब आप इतना चीजें disclose कर देंगे ना about the key and responsibility in the JD, the candidate will already aware about कि what kind of questions can be asked. We should not
Mm,
हम लोगों को इतना क्लियर नहीं करना है बिकॉज मे बी हिसाब से वो इतना प्रिपेयर होकर आए वी आर नॉट एबल टू गेट दैट पर्सन हैज अ करेक्ट नॉलेज और नॉट ऑफ इट और ही ओनली शी और वो रट्टाफिकेशन करके आ गए. ओके.
Yeah.
सो
Yes.
व्हाट
Understood.
एग्जैक्ट. यस. सो ऑनवर्ड्स improve it. Okay. After that, आपको की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल रखनी है, बुलेट पॉइंट्स में रखना है. एंड द की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज विल बी इन वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड दैट you have to handle that. You should know about these techniques, introduce about what are the software they are using up to, yeah, what your company using that. Okay. We only mention short and crisp key responsibilities. And
Okay.
if you go below of it, go below. As you can see, 7, right? I already mentioned try to be short and simple, and it's clear required qualifications and skills. You can make the section different, okay? Qualification का आप section एक अलग कर सकते हो और skills का अपना अलग कर सकते हो, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's good. Compensation आप लोगों ने include किया है, okay? How to apply, you also mentioned that, okay. बाकी it's a great effort if you made it very first time. It's really good. At least we should know कि हम लोगों को क्या क्या set करना है, right? It's
Yes.
very good. It's really good. And next time onwards, no AI Shrikant, okay? ठीक
Sure,
है?
sure, sure.
उसके बाद से we will definitely put upon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir wants to say something, please.
Yeah, Srikant,
Yes, sir.
the JD, what you have made, scroll it up. So the profile is human resource manager.
Yes,
Got it?
yes, sir.
And in the key responsibilities area, what you have mentioned, just go below down. Yeah, scroll it down. Okay. Recruitment and staffing. So basically, a human resource manager is not going to do the thing at executive level. As what you have posted here, including job posting, that will be done by recruiter side, not a manager side. Got it?
Got it.
Screening and interviews and onboarding, that may be a part of human resource manager. So what you can write here for better, supervise or to ensure the smooth process of recruitment and staffing.
Yes, understood.
Got the point?
Yes, got it.
ये सारी चीजें okay हैं? And again, just I'm sharing my screen for your AI flag detection. And what I already put in the chat, it's on 77% AI. And मैं इसके लिए आप लोगों के ग्रुप में डाल भी दूंगा. So how you can check like what is the AI score of your created content. So you can easily check it out via that site. And there is some good news, that site is already free of cost. Okay?
Okay,
So just I'm sharing my screen. Here you can go through. Wait.
can I stop the screens?
Yeah, of course, you can stop the screen share. Yeah. Is it visible for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see it.
Yes, sir.
I had directly uploaded the file and it extracts all the content created here, and boom, you can see the result. 77% AI generated or GPT generated.
Oh,
Okay? So
yes, sir.
at the later you can take it out help. See, this is not bad. आजकल लोगों के दिमाग में परसेप्शन चल रहा है that AI will replace you. Of course, AI will replace you if you are not able to equip with the latest technology and trends.
Yeah,
But
that's true.
that doesn't mean that you are going to completely depend upon AI. Okay? So it's not AI versus you, it's AI plus you.
Yes.
Okay? So AI की चीजों को ध्यान में रखो. अब इस जेडी का एक सबसे बड़ा नुकसान मैं बता रहा हूँ. If you are going to put over social media sites or whatever the thing, okay? So ये उसको रैंक नहीं करेगा because the content is not unique. Artificial intelligence is a machine who is going to take a reference from somewhere else. Got the point, na?
Yes, sir, got it.
So कहीं का copy and pasted content, they will not going to rank up. ठीक है? So additionally,
Yes.
I will share a screen. I will share a link to you where you can humanize the things. कि चलो AI से generate भी किया ना, तो उसको humanize कर देना, थोड़ा सा human touch दे देना. And कितना percent AI चलेगा? Maximum 15%. Got it? तो अपनी अपने फाइल्स को आप लोग खुद ही चेक करना. I will give you the link and try to humanize it. Okay, so moving towards the next assignment. अब कौन शेयर कर रहा है? Share the screen fast.
So shall I?
Of course, go ahead, please.
So is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Wait a minute.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Okay.
Yeah. Just give me a second, I'll just wait it up, okay? Just give me-
Okay.
Yeah, can you please scroll? Okay, scroll around. So here my feedback is, Mohana, when you are trying to see now, I can see all are there is only bullet and short points. Okay. So when we try to make a JD, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is for everyone only. Okay. When we try to make a JD, it should be a mixture of everything. It should not be like it should be very short points or bullet points. It should be a mixture of everything. If you are using short points, it should be mentioned जैसे आपने roles and responsibility में you have describe it more. थोड़ा one liner हो सकता था, because when I see roles and responsibility I've been seeing detail oriented, so I'm not able to guess what exactly detail oriented is, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
when you try to use these things, so always check exactly when, as a if you are hiring for a customer executive, are you able to relate when somebody is mentioning roles and responsibility and it is said detail oriented? No, right?
Ma'am.
Because
Yes, ma'am.
it's not clarifying those ki what exactly they're gonna play a role into that. So as Shrikant used AI also, so उसमें क्या था, you have seen the bullet points has been used, right? One liner. So we can use those bullet points, but not in excessive ways. We can, for sure, 5 to 6 bullet lines would be perfect to describe a person, what exactly their roles and responsibility will be when they are into organization. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can mention skills, okay, in the bullet points as you mentioned, because we can seriously say, okay, these are the things. You can mention the roles and responsibility in one liner so that able to understand. Everything is fine, and the thing is the deadline. It's very important to have a deadline for everything. It's really good, Mahana, that you have mentioned that it should be applied before 18th April. शौक थे क्या? नहीं, ऐड आपने किया ना? Okay,
I have another also, ma'am. Like,
okay.
shall I share that?
Yeah, you can share it out.
Is it
And
visible?
more in, yeah, please. Yeah, till the Mohana is sharing, I want to tell you something, everyone. It's not about कि आपको उस position के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. It's not about that. Because आप obviously आप you don't know every position क्या उसमें work होता है, right? It's not about that. जैसे कि इन श्रीकांत रिक्रूटमेंट का था, तो मे बी सम ऑफ द टाइम्स यू डोंट नो द रोल व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द रोल विल बी. तो हेयर कम्स अ जॉब रिक्विजिशन फॉर्म्स वर्क्स इन. सो व्हेन अ जॉब रिक्विजिशन फॉर्म्स केम, राइट, हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था, बट श्रीकांत वाज नॉट देयर. तो जॉब रिक्विजिशन फॉर्म्स प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, बिकॉज द पर्सन इज हायरिंग फॉर who knows कि exactly what they want. So they gonna mention in that कि उनको ये requirements उनको चाहिए. So exactly that points should be kept in the responsibility. जब भी आप JD वगैरह अगर आप AI से भी बनवा रहे हो तो ठीक है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि यू आर गेटिंग दैट कि आपको उस पोजीशन के बारे में पता होना चाहिए, बट एटलीस्ट सिंक इट अप. जैसे होता है ना कि एटलीस्ट हमें पता होना चाहिए व्हाइल प्रिपेयरिंग इट, दो वी शुड नो दिस थिंग्स कि हाँ अगर ये एचआर का है तो अगर हम एग्जीक्यूटिव रोल के लिए कर रहे हैं तो इट वुड बी स्मॉलर कॉलिंग वाला पार्ट रहने वाला है, एंड अगर ऑनबोर्डिंग प्रोसेस के लिए जा रहे हैं तो इट वुड बी सीनियर वाला पार्ट. ठीक है. तो इस चीज की आपको बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं है कि आपको हर पोजीशन के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. ठीक है. और as you already know, AI come into life, make easy. So, but the thing is, awareness is very important, right? So while you making the JD, should keep up with the points और recheck करवा लो जिसके लिए वो hire हो रहा है. Okay? Mohana, your screen is not visible. Can you please share it again?
Ma'am, now it's
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It is now.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, scroll it down, please. Okay. Have you used the chat GPT?
No, ma'am.
No, no, I'm not. I'm not blaming you. Okay. I'm not. I'm just asking you of that.
No, no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
ठीक है. Okay. चलो ठीक है, I'm proud of you. Very good. You didn't use that.
The thing is, I just wanted to make one as like no, just two bullet points, ma'am. Then another one, I just wanted to write it as an content. So I just made two.
Yeah, but it is really good.
Yes,
Shrikant and everyone, see how it is, right? It is clear and basic. Nobody will gonna scroll it down, right? अगर आप लोग भी उसके लिए जा रहे हो एज HR, अगर आप जाते हो तो you are able to guess कि what exactly they were asking for. Leadership and senior level hiring for mid senior roles levels to make decision in strategic partnership. Uh, okay. So what can I do is आप जब भी JD use करो, try to make more clarify about the responsibilities because many of the see you can see leadership and senior level hiring for mid senior level roles. These can't be counting responsibilities. You can see the point of it, right, Mohana?
yes,
And
ma'am.
you can't be count on the responsibility. You work closely with founders and department heads. Okay, we can count on that. Okay, should make us see. Okay, everything is fine, but we try to be make more clarify about the
Yes,
things we mentioned. Okay,
yes,
because we
ma'am.
don't want कि ऐसे लोग apply कर दे which are not clear about their responsibilities. Okay,
Yes, yes,
बाकी
ma'am.
everything is fine, everything is good. If it is your first attempt, it is really good, you know.
Yes,
And it Prashant sir already checked and it have 0% plans.
okay,
So
thank
okay,
you.
that's the good thing. Okay. So this was the thing I was talking about. It's very important. You wanna learn these things, यार. मतलब आप आगे जाके AI यूज करने वाले हो, मेरे को पता है 100% और we also guys use AI यार. But ये ना in the sessions only ना ऐसे सीखोगे, ठीक है?
Yes,
चलो.
ma'am.
It's really good, Moana. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Okay, Nisha, can you please share? Everyone,
Yes.
don't get bored, ठीक है? आपको देखना है and you have to learn from this. This will be a learning session for ourselves. Okay? आप शेयर कर रहे हो निशा?
Yes.
ओके.
निशा आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हो? Additionally, who is ready with the screen share?
Yeah, nice.
Okay, go ahead please. Nisha, be prepared for the next time. तब तक सारी चीजें रेडी कर लो. अक्षता, go ahead please. We are running short of the time. Actually, we have to see the practical itself for job posting and the other things. Akshata, do it fast. Yeah, okay. And Nisha, be ready with the file.
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is. Okay. Job details. Okay. This is the whole JD.
There is one more page, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Let me see this. Okay. So what my point of view is into that, just move on the first page. Yes. So when we post, right? I know, but the story technology का आपने क्या है, that's really good. But when we see JD, because ना हम लोग जब भी post वगैरह करते हैं, so
Yes, ma'am.
we see हम लोगों को starting में, that's the format of it. अगर आपने PPT में भी आप देखोगे ना, in the template we see कि हम लोगों को जो main चीजें होती हैं, for example the location, the position, the job title, these things should be mentioned in above. When this is the also format we always follow. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
Akshita, जब आप after this class ना, you can see the PPT I have shared in the group. So here what you can
Yeah,
see
ma'am.
is कि हम लोग जो मेनली चीजें होती हैं कि आप देखो एग्जैक्टली पहले ही जेडी सेलेक्ट एंड डिक्लाइन होने का मेन रीजन क्या होता है, या तो वो वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस ढूंढ रहा होता है या तो वो वर्क फ्रॉम होम ढूंढ रहा होता है. ओके. So
Okay,
the
ma'am.
first thing, the location. Okay, when you were also searching for the job, you will see the job title, right? After that, you will
Yes,
see
ma'am.
the job location. After, you will see the timing of it, and if it is work from office or work from home, right? These are the things should be always mentioned in the top, right? And what are the years of experience they were asking for? And
Okay,
roles
ma'am.
and responsibility का last में आता है thing. So the first thing is always be your short and crisp. People should be grasp of it कि I need this job or not. I should apply for it for. You see, eligibility is very important, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
From the next onwards, Akshita, try to mention, as you can see, Mohana's also, कि आप उन्होंने starting के ऊपर में ही they have described everything. What are the job
Yeah,
titles?
ma'am.
What are the job? So next time when you will make a JD, you will mention these things all above, and after that you can describe the roles, the responsibilities, and the details. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And as a can I see कि आपने job skills डाला है, the job skills part will be not there. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑनवर्ड्स आप पहले पूरा स्टार्टिंग में बुलेट पॉइंट्स दोगे. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन मेंशन द की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, देन द डिटेल्स एंड एवरीथिंग पार्ट ऑफ इट. ओके अक्षता. एंड
Okay, ma'am.
इवन यू
Okay.
कैन सी द पीपीटी ऑल्सो. ओके.
Yeah, ma'am. I referred PPT only. Uh, but I got confused exactly how the format to do.
Okay, no issues. After this session, I will share you guys one perfect JD. You can take the reference of it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Thank you so much, Akshata. Okay.
Thank you,
Who is
ma'am.
who is ready next? Nisha, are you ready? What about Bhavna? Bhavna, are you ready? Able to share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please do fast. Okay.
And rest of you guys, be prepared. ठीक है, जैसे एक कैंडिडेट का हमारा खत्म होगा, वी आर गोइंग टू लाइव विद द नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट. ठीक है, सो हमें किसी को कॉल ना करना पड़े. वी रेडी विद द रिमेनिंग पीपल. ओके
Ma'am,
Alan,
is it visible?
yeah, this is visible. Go ahead fast.
This is very good, Bhavna. As everyone can see, Akshita, I was talking about this part only. Okay, in the starting of it, you can mention the job titles, terms, okay, salary expectations, work mode. That's really good, Bhavna. About us, okay, that's very good. Ki at least they should know what exactly the company is doing about the rules. Everyone see how responsibilities are mentioned, right? Lead the HR and manage hiring employee activities. These are simple and straightforward. Candidate requirements. Okay. You can candidate requirements की जगह भावना, you can use the qualification part. It looks more professional. Okay on this. Okay.
Okay,
Use the
ma'am.
qualification what, so that they meant to be कि what are the eligibility of their
Yes.
contractors to apply. Everything is perfect. Everything is good. इसको थोड़ा और आप add on कर सकते हो, like skills आप अपना add on कर सकते हो, compensation वाला part आप add कर सकते हो भावना, because when we mentioning the salary also, we also should mention the compensation that exactly attracts the persons also. Exactly क्या क्या company हम लोगों को provide कर रही है. बाकी everything is
Okay,
perfect.
ma'am.
It's really good. If it's the first attempt, it's really good, Bhavna.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're most welcome. So everyone, if it's your first attempt, it's really good. And keep these points in mind, okay? आप लोगों को next time, this is only the first step. This is the main forward. Next time onwards, try to be very short and simple, okay? जो भी reference में होगा, today only I will share you one perfect JD. जिसमें आप इस वाला फॉर्मेट फॉलो कर सकते हो, ओके, फॉर द फ्यूचर रेफरेंस. I asked Prashant sir to share your screen so that we can start the practical session of ours. Okay.
Okay, anyone else for the screen sharing? Ellen, you have submitted the assignment now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, to share the screen first.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And additionally, Nisha, any problem with that? Nisha ने दिखा दिया?
Well, don't.
Ananta. Okay. I can see your screen.
So can you see the screen? Is it visible?
Yeah, we can see your screen as
Yeah.
well. Yeah. Can you please just scroll it down? Yeah. It's very similar to Bhavna's one.
Ma'am, like I was not actually there in the last class, so I
Okay.
referred the other PPTs to actually make this.
Okay. No issue, Anand. At least you have tried. That's what the major thing is. At least you should try exactly how JD makes, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So everything is perfect, everything is good into it, roles and responsibility mentioned. The same thing, we can add the compensation part, Alan, okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
to
Yes, ma'am.
make it more attractive. Apart
Yes.
from that, this is the format we should always follow. Everyone, you can see this is the format we should follow, okay? About us or about the role, responsibility, candidate requirements ke alawa, you can mention the qualification part of it. Use words which are commonly used by people in the JD, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's the feedback. Thank you so much, Alan. At least you have tried. It's good. It's really good.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Anybody else who wants to show, or we can move forward? Okay, let's move forward, Prashant sir. Okay.
Okay guys, so I'm going to share my screen. So सबसे पहले किसका check करें? For LinkedIn or for Naukri? Tell us fast.
Suggest Naukri.
Naukri?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check for the Naukri. I'm going to share my screen. सारी चीजों को आराम से अच्छे से ध्यान रखना. Additionally, we will share the recording in the group and upon your dashboard too. And there is a minimal problem with my camera. Actually, webcam restart whatever. So I'm going to turn off my camera. Okay, सारी चीजों को ध्यान से देखना, ऑब्जर्व करना सारी चीजों को, and then later on, if you have any kind of query or question, then of course you can ask at the last, not in the mid. Okay, all the queries will be welcome at the last. So I'm going to turn off my camera and additionally share my screen. Be in the session. So is this visible for all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see.
So see, this is the Naukri portal. How recruiters panel will exactly look like. अभी दिख रहा है आपको ये?
Yes.
So there are certain of facilities in Naukri recruiters portal. The one जो normal simple वो होता है नौकरी का URL होता है, that is a different for the employers and that is a different for employees. So
Yes.
if we are going to search Naukri, initially it will show the employees for the employees. As like see, this is for the Naukri employee, and additionally, this is the employer portal. So what we have, there are multiple of features and facilities because all of these portals are paid in nature. So you
Yes.
have to purchase the thing. As like what is the services you are going to purchase? There is a section for job posting. I'm going to show jobs and responses. As like this is post a hot vacancy or post an internship, post a classified, manage jobs and responsive. एडिशनली ये आपको अलग से परचेज करना पड़ता है. सो कंपनीज विल गो एंड परचेज दिस काइंड ऑफ फैसिलिटीज. This will be higher in the price side. Additionally, this is the second thing where you can search the resumes or search the candidates. As like बहुत बार आपने notice किया होगा and mostly you have noticed that recruiters had directly called you. You haven't applied over any kind of job post, but you get
Yes.
a call. Hi, my name is this. I'm calling you from this organization and the role and responsibility. So have you got that call?
Yes, sir. I have
Yes,
good
sir.
experience.
या सो वो यहाँ से होता है, सर्च रिज्यूम से, सेंड इनवाइट से एंड मैनेज सर्चेस से. ठीक है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ वेरी फ्रेश सर्च फॉर टेलीकॉलिंग प्रोफाइल और वेबसाइट डेवलपर. बताओ कौन से प्रोफाइल के लिए किया जाए, सर्च किया जाए.
Website developer.
Website developer. Okay, so within the field of website development, there are two multiple of profiles and there are two multiple of skills we need. So किसके लिए जाना है? For front end developer, for back end developer, for the database developer, for the Azure and DevOps developer. किसके लिए जाना चाहते हो?
You would go with full stack.
Full stack. And you know
Yes.
what is the full stack?
Yeah, it combines like front end, back end developers.
Okay, that's a very true in the nature. So guys, ध्यान में रखना इन सब सारी चीजों को. As I am not able to see the name. Wait. Yeah, Srikant, am I right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Srikant have a knowledge of the website development part. So as an HR आपको बाकी सारे fields की overall knowledge, basically you can say superficial knowledge होना चाहिए. As he already told, full stack developer. So suddenly a requirement will come and drop in within your inbox. We need a full stack developer. So boom, आपको पता ही नहीं है full stack developer होता क्या है. So you are going to googling it and using the AI the things. So before that, be prepared with all the kinds of information that front end developer कौन होता है, back end developer कौन होता है, database developer कौन होता है, उनको live करने वाला different अलग से कौन होता है, AWS and cloud का engineer कौन होता है. So each and everything is different. So we are moving towards the full stack development role. अब full stack development में क्या होता है? Just give me a quick recap. As like the person who is able to handle website front end, additionally backend as well as the database itself. So वो person पूरे के पूरे एक site को manage करेगा. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rest of the people.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here it is. We are going to search the resumes. So here it is. So initially we are going to search via keywords. Now you have to think from the employee's perspective, not from the perspective of employers. कैसे? Just for an example, कोई एक person है that is in a full stack development, so he can also write it down SDE, means software development engineer.
Engineer.
Additionally, he can write it down full stack. He may even write it down front end, back end, database. So we have to write each and everything here. So let's check it out. Yeah. नौकरी ने already suggestion दे दी है full stack developer. And can you see it, the star mark?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Be fast.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे स्टार मार्क का क्या मतलब होता है? इसके साथ में एडिशनली जितने भी कीवर्ड्स डालूंगा उन सब में से कुछ भी रहे तो वो सीवी मुझे शो करेगा. बट अगर मैंने यहाँ स्टार मार्क कर दिया, व्हाट इट मींस, ये कीवर्ड तो रहना ही चाहिए. सो व्हाट इट मींस, the next search engine is going to cater all the profiles which is optional here, as like front end development, back end development. So these are the optional keywords. So if we are not going to mark it as an star, means this is not compulsory. Means if I am giving here 8 or 10 keywords, what it means, from any of that 8 to 10 keywords, if the single word is present in the resume of the applicant, then the application, or you can say the profile, is visible here. So what it affects? It affects our search result. Okay. So what we need here, a full stack developer. So strictly we need this word in the profile of the applicant. Got it? So we will mark it as an star. These are the things in an optional mode, optional manner. Additionally, let it out. You can also add skills and HTML developer.
Script.
Java. Any else? Any kind of suggestions for this, for the keywords? चलो दिमाग
MySQL, MySQL, Python.
Python is a completely different thing. Python is a completely different thing. We can,
MySQL, MongoDB, we can use it for
yeah,
database.
very good, very good. MongoDB. And here it is, DB stands for database.
Yes.
For the front end, we can use Angular. Additionally, for the front end, what we can use? React. For
Yes.
the back end, what we can use? Give me up, give me up. For the back end, what we can use? Got this? Node.
Node.
So
Yes.
MongoDB database framework,
Yeah,
Angular
yes,
front-end
yes.
framework, React.js front-end framework, Node is a back-end framework.
Yes.
ठीक
I
है?
think we can
तो
also use React in it also.
yeah, React Native, that is specifically devoted for the mobile app development. So we are here for full stack developer. Okay.
Okay.
Experience. So a full stack developer cannot be a fresher person. क्योंकि एक फ्रेशर को HTML, CSS, Java, Bootstrap आ जाए, that is a good thing for him. So minimum experience 1, maximum experience 3 years. Is it okay? Current location, what it means? Either you can search anywhere in India, or if the hiring need is urgent, then you can write the thing as like, if we are into Delhi itself, and Gurugram, Haryana. As well as here, these are the two tick boxes or check marks. You can see include candidate who prefer to relocate above locations. मीन्स जब आपने अपना नौकरी प्रोफाइल बनाया होगा, you all have seen that Naukri had asked you that what are the location you have preferred,
Yes, sir.
and there is a section of current location. So these are the things of current location. अगर आप ये टिक करते हो, what it means, the candidate is ready to relocate. Additionally, exclude candidate who have mentioned anywhere in. What it means, कि अगर आप चाहते हो कोई एक सर्टेन रीजन से, कोई एक सर्टेन स्टेट से, कोई एक सर्टेन लोकेशन से आपके एप्लीकेंट्स ना दिखें, you can tick it here, and additionally you can mention the state or location. Got the point? But that is not fair ethically. Okay. Annual salary for a full stack developer, अपना budget check कर लेना जो भी आपको assign हो. For the example, I am going to tick here. Employment details. If you need the person from a specific department and role, of course you can write it here. Additionally, there is a no need. So what companies क्या करती हैं? Companies are going to target their competitors. तो
Yes.
वो उनके यहाँ के कंपनीज के इंजीनियर्स को सर्च करते हैं, सेल्स पर्सन को सर्च करते हैं, and they are going to break down the team. Ethically, this is wrong practice. Got the point? Ethically, this is wrong practice. डेजिग्नेशन, अगर चाहते हो कि कोई बंदा कहीं पहले से काम कर रहा है, कोई एम्प्लॉय पहले से काम कर रहा है, यू कैन मेंशन द डेजिग्नेशन एज लाइक, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इट हियर, फुल स्टैक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर. ओके. नोटिस पीरियड, आप कितना चाहते हैं, कितनी जल्दी आपके यहाँ ज्वाइन करे, 0 to 15 days और 1 month. एजुकेशनल डिटेल्स, इफ यू वांट टू मेंशन हियर एनी यूजी मींस अंडर ग्रेजुएट, स्पेसिफिक यूजी अगर आप चाहते हो सामने वाला पर्सन बीटेक से हो, सीएससी से हो, यू कैन मेंशन इट हियर. आई एम गोइंग टू रिमूव इट. No UG qualification. Okay. PG qualification, we are going to mark it as. Okay. Go for the specific UG qualification. BTech. Okay. Institute, you can mark it down. अगर आपको specific किसी कॉलेज से बच्चे चाहिए एज लाइक IITs, IIMs और BITs और डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ CSE इंस्टीट्यूट। एजुकेशन टाइप उसने कौन सा एजुकेशन लिया है, फुल टाइम, पार्ट टाइम और कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस। डिग्री ऑफ कंप्लीशन ये भी आप डाल सकते हो, एनी PG क्वालिफिकेशन। सी now the person now for current trend, or you can say for the current timings, companies are going to hire a person who has both the degrees, as like for the management and additionally the technical knowledge too. So if you are looking for the same profile, you can make it here MBA. So candidates with both UG and PG qualification, either UG और PG मीन्स इन दोनों में से कोई एक मिलेगा तो दिखाएगा। अगर आप चाहते हैं दोनों दिखे, you can mark it here. So I'm not going to mark any kind of PG qualification. Okay. Diversity and additional details, what it means, आपको मेल कैंडिडेट चाहिए सर, फीमेल कैंडिडेट चाहिए, पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी चाहिए। Many of the companies are going to hire some disabled, or what we can say in a good word, especially abled. Never ever discredit anyone. So what we can say them, specifically able. So there are certain kinds of position and additionally the post in various companies जहाँ पे कि वो लोग specifically able person को hire करते हैं. So you can mark, take it down, and as well as you can mark the category itself. So remove the category. Candidate age, this is not a necessary. अगर जरूरत होती है तो आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो. Work details you can put it down. If you are hiring for the person as an abroad location, you can mark the permit itself. Display all candidates, new registration or modified candidates. You can also select this kind of filters, verified mobile number, verified mail ID, attached resume. And boom, okay. There is one more catch, active in last 6 months. So, यहाँ पर recruiters क्या करते हैं? They are going to search max to max by 30 days. Because they are the person who is regularly opening their Naukri portal, regularly updating their profile, so they can rank up their profile. Got the thing? इसीलिए कभी कभी आपको बोला जाता होगा अपने नौकरी एप्लीकेशन को रोज ओपन करो, उसको रोज एडिट करो. सो दिस इज द कैच फॉर दैट. ये उस ट्रिक, वो जो ट्रिक है ना, वो यहाँ काम आती है. सो इफ आई एम गोइंग टू मार्केट द फिल्टर एज वन डे, तो लास्ट एक दिन में जो लोग, लास्ट 24 आवर्स में जो लोग यहाँ पे नौकरी पोर्टल पे एक्टिव होंगे, सिर्फ मुझे उन्हीं का प्रोफाइल आएगा. व्हाट इट मीन्स, दे आर द एक्टिव जॉब सीकर पर्सन एंड दे विल रिप्लाई यू फास्टर. गॉट द पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई अकेला मैं ही बोलते रहूंगा, अभी आ जाओ.
Yes,
So,
वेरी गुड. So see, you can see all the profiles here. Active in one day. And what are the uh, total number of candidates we are seeing here? Okay,
40.
so 60 in the one page. Okay, page 1 of 1, सिर्फ एक पेज है. अब देखो सर 60 लोग एक्टिव रहे हैं. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे वन डे का फिल्टर किया, only 60 people are active in the profile of full stack developer. Got the thing, na?
Yes, sir.
And okay, I'm going to do the change last 3 days. Last 3 days में भी page 1 of 1. I'm going to change it last 15 days. Okay, so now you can see page 1 of 1. See how people are not active.
I
Last 30
think,
days,
sir, there is a restriction in showing application.
no, there is no any kind of restriction.
Okay.
So see, daily updating your Naukri profile will give you the chance to get faster hiring.
Yes, sir.
Got the point?
Yes.
तो चलो, एक यहाँ पे जॉब पोस्टिंग, यहाँ पे रिज्यूम सर्च करना देख लिया. एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेरी? किसी का है तो आस्क फटाफट.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
चलो, कैन वी मूव टू द लिंक्डइन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we are on the LinkedIn profile. This is my own LinkedIn profile. Okay, there are some notifications, so I have to manage. Here are my pages, which we are going to manage it. Okay, so for the hiring purpose, what you can do, there is an already copied, or you can say created JD with us, which I had already copied for the faster posting. So there is a two-way. The one you can see post a job. So simply
Yes.
you can click it here. Yeah, but before that, there is a two kinds of restrictions you have to finish. The one, if you are going to hire, there is an active employer had already been added into your profile. Additionally, the work email has also been verified too. So you can see the checkbox, verified profile. Okay,
Sir.
Prashant has verifications. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So coming back to the home page, there is a two-way for the job posting. One, you can click it down here, post a job. So it will ask you again for the login, if I'm not wrong. और अगर ये already logged in होगा, so this will go okay. To post a job for free, this is the one way, and the second way is this is the second way. Click on the profile, click on the profile picture, click on the frames, click on the hiring, click apply, and the same form will be open. Okay, yeah, see, this is the employer details, as like for which employer I'm going to post. So Valley Technology, obviously. There are already certain kinds of the job which had already posted up on the page. So can I have to repost it, or I have to create a new job? So I'm going to create a new job. This is the title, Customer Relationship Executive. Okay, I'm going to mark it again. CRM Executive. Company, Valley Technology. Workplace, as like these are the options: on-site, hybrid, or remote. What on-site means? Anyone?
Working from office.
Excellent. Work from office. What means for hybrid?
They can work for 3 days in office or 2 days in their own home or somewhere where they have
Very,
stayed.
very good. What about remote?
Work from home.
Permanent.
Work from home itself. आजकल सबको यही पसंद है. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this profile is for on-site. Job location. We are into Gurgaon. Additionally, if I'm going to choose for the remote, then there is a next option. Employee का location
Employee
क्या होना
location.
चाहिए? For the remote job, we can simply mention this thing.
India. Yes.
Additionally, you can mark up the state and all the other things as like.
Yes.
Delhi or whatever the location you want, कि वहां से मुझे applicants मिले, so you can post the location. But generally, what we are doing here, India. So anyone from our country can apply over it. Okay. So this profile is specifically on site. Job location. अब ऑन साइट है तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है, हमारी कंपनी में ही आना पड़ेगा, हमारे ऑफिस में ही आना पड़ेगा. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. जॉब टाइम फुल टाइम है, पार्ट टाइम है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, टेम्पररी बेस, अदर्स, वॉलंटियर और इंटर्नशिप. So here it is.
What
full
about
time.
other
And
option?
now other options, अगर जैसे कि what it means for part time, you are looking for a CRM executive that can work from 3 to 4 hours only.
Okay.
So you can select part time. If the person is for
No,
the contract,
only
as
other
आपने
option.
देखा होगा, you have
Yes, like other option is there, no?
other is other is just a simple option. अगर वो आपकी कैटेगरी से मैच नहीं कर रहा है, then you can simply select other.
Okay, sir. Got it.
But we have a perfect fit
Wait.
full time.
Yes.
Volunteer मतलब समझते हो ना, कोई एनजीओ के लिए काम कर रहा है, the person is
Yes.
going to work for the NGO. So volunteer.
Yes, sir.
Internship 2 to 4 months, 2 to 3 months. Okay. So this role is for full time. I'm going to select full time. Then again, अब यहाँ पे LinkedIn का आ गया AI.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm ready to help you He is saying, I'm ready to help you. But sorry, we are not going to take the help. We have already created our own JD. So write on my own. And here it is. My created JD is already here. And yeah. For the important details, just mark it bold. Backend and operation executive. Location, sector 1414 Gurgaon. Mode, work from office. Salary is this. Profile summary. We are looking for driven and detail-oriented executive to join our backend and operation team. As a backend and operation executive, you will gain hands-on experience in managing data systems, all the things, roles and responsibilities. This is one kind of header to mark it bold. Now check it out. All the type of keywords are used here. In the profile summary itself, core operational function, business success, backend operation. Okay. Profile summary needs to be kept in bold. Roles and responsibilities, एग्जैक्ट क्रिस्टल क्लियर है सारी चीजें. डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एंड रिपोर्टिंग चाहिए सामने वाले से मुझे. He is able to do cross-functional support itself. Additionally, he is able to be fluent in communication, so that's why cold calling, process coordination, database and backend support. These are the requirements what we need. Okay, pursuing or recently completed a bachelor degree, strong analytical and problem solving skills, familiarity with Excel. See, now these tools are very necessary for an person with backend and operation executive. डाटा कहाँ मैनेज करोगे? एक्सेल में करोगे, गूगल शीट में करोगे, अदर थिंग्स में करोगे. एडिशनली इफ देयर इज एन एनी काइंड ऑफ सीआरएम सॉफ्टवेयर लाइक जोहो, उडू, अगर आप इस तरीके के सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करते हैं देन ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन मेंशन हियर familiarity with Excel, Google Sheets, Zoho, Udo, and all the kinds of tools. Okay. Excellent organizational and multitasking abilities, ability to work independently and remotely with minimal supervision. Here are the benefits we are going to provide to our CRM executive: competitive salary, favorable work environment, real-time experience, mentorship, opportunities. And boom, we are going to post. Job is active. Additionally, ये hiring frame आ गया मेरे यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
So this is all from our side for 2 practical demonstration. Now you can ask. अगर कोई भी query हो, कुछ पूछना हो, you can go ahead.
If we can post without any promotion also, no, sir, in LinkedIn. Or is it compulsory to pay a subscription plan?
For the LinkedIn,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you can post for free, but there is a limitation. 50 applicant के बाद वो आपकी job post को close कर देगा.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Means after reaching the limit of 50 applicants, the job posting is already paused.
Got it.
Anyone else?
No,
Sir, is it same for Naukri also?
No. Naukri will not allow to do the free job posting.
so what about Indeed?
Indeed, you can post few job posts as like 1 or 2. Then later on, you have to go for the paid plan. See, this is the business modules for their platforms.
Yes, sir.
So LinkedIn is a catch. LinkedIn is a kind of social media platform, including with the job posting. As like लोग वहाँ पे post भी करते हैं, share भी करते हैं. They are going to share their achievements too. कुछ गलत होता है किसी employer के साथ या employee के साथ. So people are going to do the posting. So LinkedIn is a kind of social media platform like job posting. Additionally, वहाँ आप लोगों से network भी कर सकते हो. Upon Naukri, you are not able to do.
Yes, sir.
And somewhere I read your network is your net worth.
Yes, sir. True.
सो अपने लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल पे जितना ज्यादा नेटवर्किंग करोगे उतने ज्यादा आपका नेटवर्थ बढ़ेगा. You never know who is going to help you in what situation.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one question. Like, according to you, like, which job portal is best suitable for HR domain jobs? Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Sir, can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah, now you are audible, sir.
Yeah. So what is the query?
So I asked, like, according to you, so which job portal is suitable for searching the HR domain jobs?
HR domain jobs you can easily find out upon Naukri and as well as the LinkedIn. Recently, there is a new job platform is launching here. I think you had already hear about that. Unstop. That is
Sir,
two in the train. Yeah,
yes,
that
sir.
is two in the train. So here it is. I'm going to give you some kinds of trick and tips. Okay, Sachin. So can you please stop the recording? Sachin. Sachin, are you there? Okay, so we within 2 to 5 minutes, we are going to discuss something, and that will be specifically for you guys. Okay.
Okay.
So anyone else? कोई और query है? कुछ और भी है? You can ask. हेमंत, मोहना, अक्षता, भावना, बाकी लोग तो गायब हो गए. Am I too boring?
No, no,
No,
sir.
no, sir.
No, sir. No.
Thank you so much. So within 2 to 5 minutes, we are going to discuss the thing. Already it is in 5:45. इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ बिल्कुल 5:30 पे ज्वाइन कर लो. Okay, within this 2 to 5 minutes, I'm going to share. Yeah, ग्रुप में आप सारे लोगों के मैं एक वीडियो शेयर करूंगा. Like how you can join from the portal. Additionally, PDF भी अभी शेयर कर दूंगा. So try to join from the portal. From the next session, we are not able to share the link within your WhatsApp group. Okay? तो अपना पोर्टल लॉगिन करना.